Dragon Risk: How to Play. The rules are the same as regular Risk, except for these changes. For a refresher of the original rules, check out this video. The object of this 3 to 5 player game is to occupy every territory on the board and destroy the dragon. During setup, remove the 2 wild cards and secret mission cards from the deck, but add in the dragon card. After the deal, but before players begin revealing cards, the player with the dragon card places the dragon on any territory of their choice. During the game, if the dragon is not on a territory you control, take your turn as normal. But if the dragon is on a territory you control, then at the start of your turn, roll 1 die. If you roll a 5 or 6, then you must move the dragon the number of spaces on the board as indicated by the die rolled. If you fail to roll a 5 or 6, then remove 1 soldier from that territory from the board instead, then take your turn as normal. If that was the last soldier in that territory, then the territory is now empty and all other players roll 1 die. The player with the highest roll rolls again, then they move the dragon as indicated by the die rolled. Once one player controls all the territories, they have 3 chances to roll a 5 or 6. If they do, then they win. If they don't, then they lose and the dragon wins.